All right, so we're now at the last topic in percentages, which is percentage change. All right, and what we've been doing is laying the groundwork for what is to come, which is the more technical aspect of consumer arithmetic. All right, so ensure that you understand percentage change, percentage growth, percentage. All right, because you will be needing it. Now, let's proceed. The output of an electrical circuit increases from 19 amps to 22 amps. What is the percentage increase? Whenever you're doing percentage change or percentage increase, whenever you're doing these questions, there's always one basic formula you must remember. This, which is the new value minus the old value divided by the old value. This gives us the percentage change. All right, so in this case, the new value would be 22 amps. The old value would be 19 amps. The old value again here would be 19 amps. So let's put this into formula. 22 minus 19 all over 19. This is equal to 3 over 19, which is equal to 0.15789. We want to round this to 3 decimal places just to keep it clean, which is going to be equal to 0.158. We then multiply this by 100 to get it into its percentage form, because this is decimal form. So when we do that, we're going to get 15.8%. So the amps grew by 15.8% from 19 to 22. All right? Good. Next example. Michael's salary increased from 5,000 to 5,350. What is the percentage change? Same formula. New minus old divided by old. The new is 5,350. The old is 5,000. Put this into the formula. We get 5,350 minus 5,000 all over 5,000. All right, and this is equal to 350 divided by 5,000, which is equal to 0.07. Multiply this by 100 to get it in percentage form, which is just 7%. So when his salary moved from 5,000 to 5,350, there was a 7% increase. All right? Wonderful. We have another example here. The reading on a pressure valve decreased from 36 psi to 30 psi. What is the percentage change? So here we see a reduction taking place from 36 psi to 30 psi. The formula still remains the same. New minus old. This is the new value. This is the old value. So we're going to write this as such. 30 minus 36 over 36. All right. This is equal to minus 6 over 36. All right. Great. Then we're going to do some calculation and get minus 0.1666 all the way out. Round this to 3 decimal places. We're going to get minus 0.167 because the fourth decimal place is greater than or equal to 5. The third, 1, 2, 3, we add 1 to it. And we get this. Now, to convert to percentage form, we multiply by 100, which results in minus 16.7%. So we see that there is a negative growth of 16.7%. Or we could simply write decreased by 16.7%. All right. So the new, which is a 30, minus 36 divided by the old 36. All right. Simple. Simple. Convert to percentage. Voila. We round up to the third decimal place. All right. And our last example. Our last example is Jamie's allowance decreased from 500 to 650 per week. What is the percentage change? All right. So the new is 460. The old is 500. So we're going to put that in our formula. This will be equal to minus 40 over 500, which is equal to minus 0.08. Convert this to percentage, we get minus 8%, or simply it decreased by 8%. All right, so these are the skills you will be needing for the upcoming topics in consumer arithmetic. We're now moving on to simple interest, and this information will be very important. All right, your percentage growth, your percentage change will all be very important. So ensure that you watch these videos and understand what's going on. All right, the thinking part of the program is coming up now. J2T, stay tuned.